Hi, I'm Kashai Steinbeck with Your Home Inc., and today I would like to show you the Desert Wind prefab home. This home consists of 122 primitives and takes up a 576 square meter footprint. Now that means you're going to need at least a 1024 meter parcel in order to be able to properly site this home on your land. The Desert Wind prefab is a two-story structure. Its major visual features are characterized by the large two-story atrium windows, which dominate the rear and sides of the home. As with all of our homes, the Desert Wind consists entirely of custom textures which are unique to Your Home Inc. houses. This house features high-quality scripts such as ResFoo for easy setup of the structure and the NDE door system, which allows you to optionally allow access to your house from a list of authorized visitors. Let's take a look inside the home. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of the Desert Wind prefabricated home. To view this and other Your Home Inc. homes in Second Life, please visit the SL URL on the following screen. Your Home Inc. Set yourself apart.